Karnataka High Court has granted bail to former Karnataka Minister and Congress MLA Vinay Kulkarni in the murder case of BJP Zilla Panchayat member Yogish Gowdar. The court also granted bail to the other 10 accused in the case. The High Court bench headed by Justice G. Baswaraj passed the order. The court directed the accused to execute a bond of 5 lakh rupees and furnish 2 sureties. It also imposed conditions that they must not influence witnesses and must not leave the country without the court's permission. The CBI examined more than 750 witnesses during the trial. The High Court has suspended the life sentence imposed to Vinay Kulkarni and granted him bail. The case relates to the murder of BJP leader Yogish Gowdar, who was brutally killed outside his gym in Dharwad on June 15, 2016. After conducting a detailed investigation, the CBI filed a charge sheet alleging that the involvement of former Minister Vinay Kulkarni and subsequently arrested him. Following the trial, the CBI Special Court convicted Vinay Kulkarni in the Yogish Gowdar murder case and sentenced him to life imprisonment. Challenging the conviction and seeking bail, Vinay Kulkarni approached the Karnataka High Court. A division bench of the Karnataka High Court comprising Justice Hemant Chandanagoudar and Justice Basavaraj Amaragaudar had earlier completed the hearing on his appeal and reserved its verdict. The bench has now delivered its judgment. Under the Representation of the People Act, any legislator sentenced to 2 years or more in prison is immediately disqualified from holding membership of the Legislative Assembly. Therefore, the High Court's decision is considered significant for Vinay Kulkarni's political future and his continuance as an MLA. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.